Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're in YouTube Studio already. Now go to Content and click the video you want to change. Once the video page opens, choose Editor from the left menu so you can access audio tools. Make sure your replacement track is either uploaded to your device or available in the YouTube audio library. This saves time and avoids copyright blocks. You'll need to decide whether to remove current track entirely or mix levels. Set that intent before you start editing so the next steps are precise. You'll use the Editor's audio section now. Click Add or Replace and either upload your file or search the audio library. Drag the chosen track onto the timeline and align it to the exact moment you want audio to start. Zoom the timeline for frame-level accuracy. Once positioned, trim excess, add fade in and fade out so dialogue isn't drowned, and lower or raise volume to balance voice and music. Make these audio tweaks while playing the preview to confirm sync and levels. After edits, always preview the full video top to bottom to check sync, levels, and transitions. When satisfied, click Save to apply changes. Note that processing can take minutes. If a copyright claim appears, remove that track and pick a licensed audio library song or use your own cleared audio. This prevents strikes. If Studio blocks the edit due to length or format limits, export a local copy with your new audio and re-upload as a replacement. That solves stubborn processing issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.